I'm waiting.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and today we have another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, UNice. Once again, they sponsored this video with this really cute brown bob wig with blonde highlights. Modeling today, we have my girl Honey Bee in the building, and I really feel like she is a perfect candidate for this wig. So it's funny, like when I first got this wig, I thought it was a pixie cut because it looked really short in the back. So I'm thinking that we're finna do like a 27-piece type of style or some type of taper look. But when I looked closer at it, I'm like, oh, this is just a really short bob. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do something really cute and creative today. All right, so of course we are starting out with our stocking cap. I have some liquid lace glue that I applied about 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 inch away from the hairline. Then we're going to apply our stocking cap. All right, so the stocking cap that I'm using right now is the beige. We have 3 different complexions on galaxygirlhair.com. We got the beige, the medium brown, and the dark brown. So while y'all getting your glues and your flyaway tamers and your edge brushes, make sure you grab a few stocking caps as well. Alright, so the wig is really cute. I really like the length. Highlights are cute, and I like how the blonde is like more of an ash instead of a gold tone. So the only glue that I use on my channel is liquid lace glue. If y'all want your own bottle, head to galaxygirlhair.com. And for the strongest hold possible, make sure that your skin and your hairline is dried out. You can use green alcohol to do this. I wouldn't recommend regular rubbing alcohol because it'll dry out your skin too much and it'll cause your skin to probably experience irritation and redness. So stick with the green alcohol because that's actually used for hair and skin. So after your skin is dry and cleansed and there's no makeup or lotion or oil on your skin, then you'll be ready to apply the glue. So I usually do 2 coats. Just put one on there, spread it out, wait till it turns clear, and then repeat that process. Now, one thing I want to remind you is you're not necessarily waiting for the glue to dry. You're just waiting for it to turn clear. And it's actually possible to wait too long to stick the lace on because if you wait too long, then the glue is not going to be tacky enough and your lace is not going to stick. So after I apply the lace to the glue, I just take my fingers and I apply my pressure and body heat to the lace and give it a really good press. Therefore, you're kind of melting the lace with the glue. So even after that, some stylists take a black wrap, wrap it around the hairline and sit their client under the dryer for like 10 minutes. So it's extra dry and it holds extra good. All right, so now the question is, should we take this bang to the left or right side? I don't know. All right, as I flat iron this, I'm noticing that the cut on this wig is a little bit weird. So I'm gonna take my scissors and just even out the bottom. All right, the back looks good. Now let's go ahead and finish up the top. So my vision for this style is just really fun, voluminous, really flowy, a lot of movement. So we're definitely gonna cut some layers in it. All right, I'm loving it. I'm loving the length. I'm loving the highlights. It's really fun and it just reminds me of summer and it's really, really cute. So once again, thank you so much UNice for sponsoring this video. If you guys want this exact unit color and all, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.